Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I would like to discuss to you a very simple program that I wrote using Delphi to ask the user to give two numbers, and then our program will simply subtract the difference between the two numbers. We have also a clear button about where we know who is the programmer of this program, and then quit. So before we start, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Basically I'm using Income Bardero Delphi. So we have here a form, we have a label, enter first number, text box, edit 1, edit 2, second text box, enter second number, and then we have four buttons: subtract, clear, about, quit. So let us go back to subtract button. So here we are getting the value of edit 1, the text box, edit 2, from string to float conversion. Then this one we perform subtraction, result num1 minus num2. So label, we display the result, and then when go back to design view, we have a clear to clear the button. It will display a dialog box. Are you sure you want to close this program? If yes, it will close. If none, it will erase the values in text 1, edit 1 and edit 2, label, and set focus the cursor to the edit 1. Next, we have the third button, that is about. About, we will display an application message box that will display my name as the creator of this program. Next, lastly, we have quit. In the quit portion, again, we are asking the user, do you want to quit this program? Is yes, it will close. And then, uh, no, it will clear the text box and then set focus. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our video tutorial for today for free, in my website. Let's go back to design, and then we will click display button here. Okay, it's running. So enter first value, let's say 5, second, let's say 2. We have here a toolbox, click here to subtract two numbers. We have 3, clear, to allow us to put a new set of values, 8, 1, subtract, yes. Click the about. It will display a dialog box created by yours truly, Dr. Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, PhD TM. Okay. Quit. Are you sure you want to clear this program? No. It will clear again. Give us a new set of values to allow to input. The difference between 7 and 12 is -5. Let us click the quit. Yes, it will unload, or close the program. That's it guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video, subtract two numbers in Delphi. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new with my channel. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.